So you want to generate a number between 1 and 100, and you want it to be random. We can do RANDBETWEEN as a formula. We can say the low is 1, the high is 100, and they're separated by a comma. So, comma, if we are in a locale with a comma. If you're in somewhere else, not the US, sometimes it's a semicolon. But that'll be across the board for every form. Let's generate this random number. And we enter once, and this formula will do it. However, anytime you edit the sheet, the number changes. So we want another number. There, we have two different numbers, but these numbers will change. So let's quickly make a little automation up here that will do this once and only once. Go up to extensions app script, and we have our formula. So we're going to copy this and have this ready to paste. We're going to write a function, generate number 1 through 100. We're taking the exact spreadsheet, the entire spreadsheet file, spreadsheet app, adding parentheses, then dot, then get active, just the dot, not the parentheses, get active range, and we're going to set a value. And that value in quotes is that formula that we copied before. So this is equals RANDBETWEEN 1 to 100. Then we're going to take the spreadsheet and flush it. This means that we will execute that. Then we'll go back to that range. Let's copy and paste it so we don't have to type it again. We'll copy it to itself, and we have some options that we can do, and one of them is curly brackets contents only true. So I'm actually going to paste that, and that's curly brackets contents only with a capital O colon true. Let's save this and see what happens. If we don't even have anything here, this is blank. And we're going to have this active range here. We're going to hit run. We will have to do permissions, authorize this the first time we use it. Hit continue. We don't have any errors. And we have a number. Let's run that again. And we have a different number. Cool. But we don't want to have to come to this app script here and have to do this each time and hit run. Open app script, hit run. So we can allow this to be available to any user of our sheet if we use a custom menu. I can go to bettersheets.co/snippets. I don't have to be logged in for this. This is free for everyone. Bettersheets.co/snippets is a bunch of app scripts we can copy and paste into our sheets that are just going to just make our sheets way better. And we have this one thing called a custom menu. This is function on open. I'm just going to copy and paste this up here. It's function on open, which is an automation that exists in AppScript without us having to create one. We just literally type this function on open. We're getting the UI of the entire sheet, and we're saying, hey, add a custom menu here, and we're going to call this generate rand number 1 to 100. And then we're going to take the function name, generate number 1 through 100, and put it as this second element. So the first element here in this add item is what the user will see. The second one is what the computer will do when clicked. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go to the button next to run and click this and save. And then I'm going to close my app script. I can also refresh my sheet, and it'll, after saving, it'll close that app script. I'm going to select B2. Actually, let me see now. We have Gemini, extensions, help, accessibility, and custom menu. Click custom menu, and there is our function and the name that we wrote that says, hey, user, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to, and then it ran it. I don't know if you saw it. It went very quick, but it actually did put the formula there, and then it copied and pasted it with only the value. Wasn't this cool? So this is a really interesting way to use AppScript to essentially do what we were doing before with a formula, but now it's set here. Now I can do that again, generate random number 1 through 100, and it's gonna, see, you can see it change the number in that range. Very, very cool, right? Hope you enjoy this little AppScript. And if you wanna know more, take Master Spreadsheet Automation 101. It is a course I offer at bettersheets.co, but also standalone if you wanted to get it at Udemy for like $9-10. But if you want monthly membership, gets Spreadsheet Automation 101. within it and a whole lot of other stuff over at Better Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.